So it's Tony Baker, voiceover, Animal Voiceovers 3. So far so good. I haven't laughed yet. So let's keep it going. Let's keep it fucking going. Alright, here we go.
Come on, Walter. Let me dabble in there, man. Come on, Walter. Hand it over, Walter. Hand it over. You know what? I don't want none anyway. I don't want none anyway, Walter. Come on, Walter. Let me indulge. Hand it over, Walter. Let me put it. Let me hold it. Let me have it and hold it and taste it, Walter. You're being mad selfish right now. I'll give you the fur off my back. But you're going to choose this temporary meal on me. When that meal is gone, I'm going to be standing right here with you, Walter. Now, come on, man. Let me get a fraction of this delectable feast you got going in my face, Walter. Oh, come on, Walter. Let me have it and hold it. Let me have it and hold it. I don't know what you're eating, but I want in on it, man. Let me get a fraction of this, man. I'll give you my cat food, but you never asked. Well, you never asked, Walter. Let me get it. You never asked for my cat food. I'll give it to you in a minute, man. I'll give you the fur off my back, Walter. You know what? You being mad selfish with your big ass spoon. You think you better than me because you use utensils? And now you eat napkins? I want out of here. Well, look at what we have here. Well, you... Oh. Nah, we meet again. You turn your back on me for... Nah, every time you go away, we seem to get closer. Oh. And this was my plan all along, was to creep up every time you turn... Oh. Nah, see, this is my plan all along, to get you to peek in and out while I capture the camera phone. Hello, good people. This is Douglas the Lion, as you can see. I see you out here, Douglas. You're killing it, baby. Oh, thank you, bro. Thank you, man. Listen, oh, you working? How you doing? You working? Anyway, what I was saying was... like that in my life, Douglas. Oh, okay. Okay. Appreciate you, girl. Appreciate you. How you doing? Thank you. Next time, just brush a little bit over the top and then swoop that over the side. How you doing? Thank you, bro. Thank you, man. You're one of the few humans I trust, man. We see you out here, Douglas. Your name gives us hope, man. You never turn your back on where you came from, bro. We see you shining and glistening, man.
It's hard.
Hey, get your bike up out of here, man. Let me cram. Nobody want to see your little punk bike, man. Get your little cram out here with your lavish bike. Thinking you better. Okay, all right, you died on that one. Kudos to you. Oh, you think you gonna ride off into the sunset? Get cram. Feel every piece of these ram hits, baby. Cram. I ain't a full ram, but you cram. You gonna feel this. You gonna feel this. Who you think you are here with your cram, with your little lavish bicycle, man? Thinking you better than us out here. You know, cram. Yeah, ever since I was a young lamb and I got ran over by a little kid on his bicycle, I vowed to always take bikes out whenever I cram. Yeah, TKO, baby. And you know, you can get this work too for riding in my hood with your little bike, man. Who you think you are just gonna come up in here with your bike, man? I don't want to see no bikes out here, no pedals, no brakes. That's why I like to unwind with a sip from the watering hole. The watering hole, Lord Jesus, oh God. Damn it, damn it. I almost had him. I almost had it. Oh, Lord Jesus, oh God. Hi guys, it's me, Bambi. After a long day of dodging predators, I like to come down to the watering hole and get my little soul. Almost doesn't count. Damn it. I almost had him, and he hit me with the brandy lyrics. You see, as I review my game film, I came in too hot. I forgot about the hopping ability of these deers. I underestimated and just came in too hot, too aggressive. My mouth was too wide, but I was too slow. Man, a lot of people don't know. Art is the main attraction of these zoos, man. We're killing it out here. When people come to the art exhibit, be packed. We the stars out here. You know, they're gonna put the tigers all on the display, but man, we the real attraction. We got that personality. Truly. Tigers ain't got that personality. Oh, I'm living in an apartment right now. Look at this. Lavish. So you think you just gonna push up on my girl when I'm up north and see her? Well, I'm out here getting changers, killing whales and stuff. You out here trying to push up on my girl. You supposed to be my boy, huh? You think you slick, man? All these other penguins around here, you gotta choose mine. Get off me! Get off me! Hey, I hate the play, I hate the game. She chose me. She chose me. I was there to listen to her. You wasn't. Debbie, come out here. Make a choice. Make a choice. You gonna choose Patrick over me? What we doing out here? Make a choice right here. It's either gonna be me or Rob. Oh, but you gonna choose Patrick? Oh man, that's what we do. You supposed to be my honey apple butter cinnamon roll crisp. Wait, if you think you moving him into my crib, you got another thing coming. Hell no. I set up this crib. I set up this whole burrow. This
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Feast your eyes on the very definition of lavishness, fellas. Have you ever seen such royalty? Man, you hella pompous coming in here with that hairdo, man. Who do you think? Now sit down.